morning. It's Rob Brown and it's boat show day, man. We're at the Augusta Civic Center this morning. The wind's blowing. We got about 20 boats we got to pack into this building along with everybody else. So we're going to show you how it's set up. I got my Bob Cole hat on today. Bob, you with us in spirit today, pal. We like you. We wouldn't do an Augusta boat show without you. Hey, stay tuned. Take a look at what we got going on today. Well, there we are. We've set it up. 20 boats. Most of the day here spent. Ready for a big weekend. Hope everybody comes out and sees us. It's Rob Brown with Rob's Vlog. It's been the Augusta Boat Show setup. And look forward to seeing you. Hope it's really cold out and drives everybody indoors. See you here at the Civic Center this weekend.